What's going on, everybody? Today we're going to Palm Beach, where we're going to walk up the Barrenjoey Lighthouse, and we're gonna have a little bit of fun.
Sorry.
So let's be on our way, shall we?
Lives in a pineapple under the sea.
Use mix master.
So look at all of that. The ocean and the lake right there. And as you can see, there's some backburning happening in the distance. And the views keep getting better and better. Whew. Motherfucker. Ain't it a beauty? Whew. This walk is probably my most favorite scenic walk. Man, this view is ridiculous. I love this view because we have land and then we're reminded of how small we actually are. We are literally a drop in the ocean. Whew. But man, oh, there's a tiny sailboat out there. It's cool. So rather than just taking a whole bunch of video, I thought it'd be a different thing to change it up a little bit and shoot some photos. So hopefully there's video. But it's getting real windy because the sun's going down. What a beautiful way to spend a Saturday afternoon, going on a nice little stroll to the Barrenjoey Lighthouse. It's little things like this that really make an adventure worthwhile. So we'll make our way down and probably try to find something for dinner. Ooh, dinner sounds really good right now. To get dark and which means let us be on our way, because the last thing you want is to be climbing down this mountain in the dark. The sunset's beautiful. I met two lovely girls from Dublin, one who now lives in London and the other who now lives in Sydney. They just wanted to explore. It's pretty good. They seem very lovely. But look how magnificent that sunset is over the hills, I guess, more than anything else.
Oh no, stop.